Plants are the portal to everything. If you don't work out how to work with nature as a medicine, then you don't get to be a successful species. You don't get to exist in the first place.
As you gain more awareness of your environment, this sea of green gets transformed into individual plants, individual stories, the history that those stories bring.
Is plant medicine calling to you in such a way that you want to deepen your appreciation of it?
Not just for edible, but for picking medicinal mushrooms that you're going to prepare for yourself. Proper ID is imperative.
Everywhere I went, I met plant healers. I just knew that I needed to go home and learn about plants.
Or perhaps you already have some foundation in herbal medicine, but you want to take that further.
Next job is going to be putting the powder into the capsule.
We kind of blend the art and science of herbal medicine. And there you have it, Early Fabulous Cocoa Peppermint Lip Balm.
And you can cool that down and use that as a wound wash to prevent infection happening.
In this program, the change that takes place in people from beginning to ending, I can't predict what exactly will be the key thing that you take away from it, but I know that there'll be something, and I know that that something will be important, and I've seen that something be life-changing. The key importance, I think, at this time for herbal medicine is that we just remember it.